Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So here we are going to discuss one of the question of CSIR net 2022. So they have given A is any 4 cross 4 matrix. So they have given you the A which is of order 4 cross 4 matrix such that they have 1 minus 1 1 1 and minus 2. These all are the eigenvalues of the matrix A. So minus 1 is also the eigenvalue of a matrix A, and 1 and minus 2 is also the eigenvalue of your matrix A. And they have given you one equation that is B equal to A raised to 4 minus 5 into A raised to square plus 5 into identity matrix. So they have given you the equation that B is also the one of the matrix which is nothing but it is equal to A raised to 4 minus B into minus 5 into A raised to square plus 5 into identity matrix. Then we have to find out trace of the matrix A plus B. So we have to find out the trace of the matrix A plus B. So we already know the eigenvalue of the matrix A. Now we have to find out the eigenvalues of the B, because the sum of the we know the property that sum of the eigenvalue is nothing but it is equal to trace of the matrix. Okay, so here the first thing, we know the eigenvalue of your A matrix. Now in this equation we want the value of A raised to 4, and from this we want the value of A square. Okay, the first of all we know the value of eigenvalues of A, that is minus 1 and minus 2, but now here we have to find out the eigenvalues of your A raised to 4. How we are going to find out it? Let's see. So if lambda is the eigenvalue of A, okay, if lambda is any real number, if this is the eigenvalue of A, lambda raised to n will become the eigenvalue of A raised to 1. Okay, and we know that minus 1 is the eigenvalue of A. So what will be the eigenvalue of A raised to 4? Minus 1 raised to power 4 will become the eigenvalue of A raised to 4. Similarly, 1 is also the eigenvalue of your A. So 1 raised to 4 became the eigenvalue of A raised to 4. With the help of this result, we have to find out the eigenvalue of A raised to 4. Similarly, 1 is also the eigenvalue of A. So 1 raised to 4 is also became the eigenvalue of A raised to 4. Minus 2 is the eigenvalue of your A. Okay, minus 2 is the eigenvalue of A. So minus 2 raised to power 4 became the eigenvalue of A raised to 4. So the eigenvalue of A raised to 4 are 1, 1 and the 16. 2 raised to 4 is nothing but 16. So eigenvalues of your A raised to 4 is 1 and 16. Similarly, next we have to find out the eigenvalue of A square. So for eigenvalue of A square, what we have to do, we know the property that if lambda is the eigenvalue of A, so lambda raised to n became the eigenvalue of A raised to n. Okay, so here we have to find out the eigenvalue of A raised to 2. So lambda raised to 2, it will become the eigenvalue of A2. So minus 1 is eigenvalue of your A. So minus 1 square, it will become the eigenvalue of A square. So 1 square also became the eigenvalue of A2, A square, and 1 square also became the eigenvalue of A square. Minus 2 raised to power 2 became the eigenvalue of A square. So here we are going to get the 4 became the eigenvalue of A square. Then so here we got the eigenvalue of A raised to 4 and we got the eigenvalue of A square. Now we know the identity matrix. What is identity matrix of 4 cross 4 order? That is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 0 1. So what are the eigenvalue of identity matrix? The eigenvalues are the 1 1 1. So eigenvalue of the identity matrix is 1 1 1 became the eigenvalue of the identity matrix. So here they have given you the equation that is the B is nothing but A raised to 4 minus 5 into A square plus 5 into identity. Now just substitute the eigenvalues of your A4. The eigenvalues of A4 are 1 1 and 16, and substitute the value of A square. 5, keep it minus 5, it will be as it is. Within a bracket you have to write the eigenvalues of your A square. It will become 1 1 1 4. Then plus 5 will be as it is into substitute the eigenvalues of your identity matrix, it will become 1 1 1. Now just simplify it. So this 1 1 1 16 will be as it is minus multiply this 5 with each element of this bracket. This bracket, it will become 5 into 5 5 into 20. So here it will 1 into 5, it will become 5 5 5 20. Next is plus 5, just multiply this 5 with each element of this bracket, it will become 5 5 5. Now just simplify it. 1 minus 5 plus 5, it will become 1. Okay, now next corresponding element, just we have to add the just corresponding elements. So 1, here we have a 5 minus 5, because in this outside we have a 5 minus, then plus second element of this bracket is 5. So the answer minus 5 and plus 5 it get cancelled. Again you are going to get the 1. Similarly for third eigenvalue, they can take the third element of this, it will become 1. Here take the third element, that is the 5 minus 5. Again take this, it will become plus 5. This again cancel. You are going to get it has a again 1. The next is 16 minus 20 plus 5. So what you are going to get? You are going to get it as a 1. So here the eigenvalues of your B became 1 1 1. These are the eigenvalue of your matrix B. So here we got the values of eigenvalues. We know the eigenvalues of A. What are the eigenvalues of A is? That is minus 1, 1, 1 and minus 2. And the eigenvalues of B is 1, 1, 1. And we know that here we know the value of eigenvalues of A, and then similarly we know the eigenvalues of B. So here we know that the sum of the eigenvalues is nothing but the trace of the matrix. So trace of A plus B is nothing but, there is a property, that is the trace of the matrix A is nothing but it is equal to trace of A plus trace of B. So what is of the trace of A? Trace of the matrix is nothing but sum of the eigenvalues. So eigenvalues of your A are minus 1, 1, 1 and minus 2. Just add it, you are going to get the trace of that matrix. Okay, trace of the matrix is nothing but sum of the eigenvalues. So just you have to add the eigenvalues of the matrix, you are going to get the trace of that matrix. So here we have a trace of B. So eigenvalues of B are 1, 1, 1 and 1. So just add this, it will become just add the eigenvalues of B, you are going to get 1, 1, 1 plus 1, it will become 4. Minus 1 plus 4, it will become 3. So trace of your A plus B became 3.